Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's your boy JJ Tech. Welcome back to another brand new video, guys. Man, it's been a while, guys. It has been a while since I've uploaded. I think my last upload was about a month ago, whether it was a video or a live stream. It's been about a month and a half at this point. I'm going to explain at the end of the video why I've been gone so long. But before I do all of that stuff, today I'm going to be unboxing and taking my first impressions of the Maono audio interface with the condenser microphone. Now this is a whole kit, as you can see here. It's a pretty big box, and we're going to be unboxing it. I'm going to be giving my first impressions, and yeah, let's crack it open, shall we? Now before I actually crack it open, let's look at the features that it has featured on the back of the box here. Now first things first, as it premium audio DSP, has a built-in battery, of course. Now this thing is rechargeable. The audio interface itself is rechargeable. It's not with a plug, so you can't always have it on power. It's has multi-channel mixing, multi-channel streaming, voice FX, and noise reduction. So this microphone bundle, you can obviously use a microphone and the audio interface, and you can use it for live streaming or podcast and whatnot, etc. All that kind of stuff. Anything that uses a microphone, this thing is great for. So now let's get all the talking out of the way, and let's unbox it, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to try to do this to where you guys can see it. First of all, I got to say, nice packaging, guys. Nice packaging. Let me show you guys that right here. First things first, we get a user manual on how to use the thing. Now, obviously, this is going to tell you how to use the audio interface itself, and of course the microphone. Like I said, in this case, I feel like it's more for the audio interface because even myself, I don't know how to use this. And then we get like a little pamphlet of setup instructions, pretty straightforward. Has nice diagrams on there on how to perfectly set up this audio interface with the microphone, whether it's to a computer, a smartphone, a power bank, all that kind of stuff. This thing can pretty much hook up to anything. Now we have this. Let's take this out. Like I said, nice packaging. And this product did just release by Maono. I'm not quite sure if that's how it's pronounced. It's kind of like Maono. I thought it was Maono at first, but I feel like it's just Maono. But we're going to stick with that. Nice packaging yet again, guys. Now let's start over here first. Okay, this is the microphone itself. We'll get to that in a minute. Next up, let's get to the accessories. Okay, so we do get this little box. It says accessories on there. Let's crack it open, shall we? Now, I do already own a mic. You're probably thinking, why do you need another mic? Well, actually, Maono actually reached out to me through email. They found my YouTube channel, and they liked the content that I produced. It's not a sponsored video, but they did ask me if I wanted to check out this product. Of course, I'm not going to pass this huge opportunity, so I said, you know what? Why not? And not only that, I haven't uploaded in a while, so this is a good opportunity to upload. What better to upload a video a whole month later than to have a new product on the channel? So that's what we're doing. So like I said, huge thanks to Maono for reaching out to me. And yeah, hopefully the product is good. But yeah, back to the accessories. You can see here we have a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. So like an aux jack type deal. It says podcasting cable. So it does come with two. So one second. So as you can see here, they both say podcasting cable. So let's just call it an aux because that's pretty much what it is. And they do give you two of those. And then this almost looks like the charger for the audio interface, the pad, the board that you guys saw, which I haven't taken outside of the box yet. This does look like it uses USB-C. That is what I like to see. So it is USB to USB-C. So that's great to see. Like I said, this product did just release, so this is a brand new product. I will be linking this product down below. It is sold on Amazon, so don't forget to check that out after you guys watch this video if you guys are interested. Okay, so back to the box, and it looks like the only thing we have left is the actual interface. Like I said, and it's pretty compact here, but it does feel like we have more stuff inside the box. Okay, so I took out the audio interface, and it's a pretty compact guy. This almost seems like a DJ setup type deal, but this is kind of what professionals use. You can have, like I said, you can control your mic volumes right here. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about this. Like I said, this is just my unboxing and first impressions video. A review video is definitely going to be coming in a couple of weeks. I know that sounds long, but I do need to get a good feel for this microphone and audio interface. Speaking of microphone, I actually didn't crack open the microphone. So here is the microphone itself. First of all, it seems like it's all metal, guys. It definitely has some heft to it, which means that it is quality for sure. As you can see here, it's not that big. A little bit longer than my hand, but yet again, my hands are not big at all. But here it is. Of course, it has a logo on there. And there is more stuff inside the box. It still is pretty heavy. And we have a bunch of stuff. Guys, like I said, this is a whole kit. So it pretty much has everything for what you need to get started, whether it's for streaming or a podcasting type deal. Looks like we have a pop filter, guys. I've never seen a pop filter like this, and of course it has their branding on there. I do like that. What else do we have? Looks like we have some more cables. Looks like we have an XLR input to XLR, so for your microphone itself, I'm guessing. Next up, we have a mount, of course, for the microphone. And yet again, guys, all this stuff is literally made out of metal, not really plastic. The only plastic part is this right here, guys. Everything so far seems super high quality. And we're still not done, guys. There's more stuff inside the box. So next up, we do have our prop stand to put up the mic. I'll show you guys that in a minute, how that exactly works. And we're still not done, guys, because a little stubborn to get out here. Woo! Guys, we almost have like this stand, I guess, to prop it up on the table like so. I'm guessing using this right here, like that, and then you plop the mic on top, guys. But this thing itself, guys, is, not sure if you guys can hear that. That is pure iron or metal type. It's almost like the material used for dumbbells, guys. Guys, this is a solid stand, guys. Like, wow. This thing has some heft to it. At least, this is like 2 pounds right here. Look at that. I know I'm getting crazy over like a stand, but this thing is super high quality, guys. So, yeah. But we're still not done. We have one more thing inside the box, and those look like some earbuds. So, yeah, guys, it looks like the last thing we have is some earbuds, guys. Guys, this bundle pretty much has everything you need to start your podcast, or whether you want to become a streamer, guys. This literally has everything, guys. Now, let me just open these earbuds real quick. Check them out. I'm not expecting them to be, you know, super high quality because, yet again, this is kind of just to start out. Okay, so these are the earbuds themselves. Let me just get a little closer. I'm super far from the camera, guys. So these are the earbuds themselves. Looks like they still use 3.5 millimeter jack. So I'm pretty sure this connects in to your audio receiver, I guess, thing, because we do have a lot of inputs on the back of this thing. I don't think this thing is used for phones, because what phone nowadays still has a headphone jack? I'll wait. Name one. Yeah. Now I don't think there's any phone in 2022 that still uses a 3.5 millimeter jack. So this is pretty much just for this setup. And yeah, they seem like a pretty solid pair. Obviously, you know, pretty plasticky, nothing crazy. But yet again, to start out, this is really all you need. Super long cable, I will tell you that. So yeah, that's everything inside the box, guys. Yet again, once again, guys, I gotta shout out Maono, guys. Like I said, this product did just get released, and guys, I am super impressed, not only by the packaging, but by the products themselves, and I haven't even tested them yet. Yet again, like I said, guys, this is just the unboxing video. A review video will be coming. Like I said, I know I will not be testing the microphone in today's video. I'm gonna save all that for the review video. Today was just my unboxing and first impressions of the product, and so far, guys, they have exceeded my expectations for this product. I will link this product down below, and we'll leave an Amazon link. It is sold on Amazon, yet again, just released. Go give Maono your feedback, because once again, guys, this product did just get released, so they do want your guys' feedback. I will drop that down below so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for that review video. And I know I said I was going to be explaining why I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm going to save that for the next video, guys. Like I said, I know I've gone for a while, and I kind of just came back to do this video. But like I said, guys, I'm coming back, guys. I'm coming back with YouTube Shorts. More importantly, it's been kind of difficult to come up with ideas, guys, and I need your guys' input. Please drop that down in the comments down below, and let me know what kind of YouTube short ideas you guys can give me so I can do videos on that. Because, not sure if you guys know, but YouTube Shorts is popping right now because it's similar to TikTok. and Instagram Reels and whatnot. So please drop your ideas in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to catch you guys very, very soon in my next video. Stay tuned for the review of this guy. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that little bell right next to the subscribe button. But yeah, guys, just like that, this video's over. Peace out.